What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to be using the new Filmora 13's drawing tool to be able to use shapes quickly into your videos, such as arrow, triangles, ellipse and rectangles. This will highlight certain areas of your video to make it clearer for the audience. Let's see how I used it.
This is John. He holds the record for the most coffees drank in 1 hour. What a champion, folks. Here he is on the way to the nearest bathroom. This is Marcus, a new member of the office. He is wowing people with his fine spreadsheet, titled Colourful Sticky Notes on a Board. He even made a visual representation. Wow! Jennifer, the only competent worker on her floor. Beware the piercing eyes. Whoever meets her gaze will be fired immediately. Bye, Steve. Sweet, sweet Dave. Lost on a school tour and never left. He found that laptop in the dumpster, and the world became his oyster. The office leader. Strong, committed, making bold business decisions for bold results. Missing his sweet cat Mittens at home. Did I leave the door open today? Jessica, battling the waves of office warfare. She has a secret. She's been stealing pens for years. She will open a stationery shop next March. Good luck, Jessica.
Hope you enjoyed my little clip there, guys. Now I'm just going to quickly show you what I did to achieve this. So I've just got my stock footage here of the Mr. Businessman sort of walking around, powerful. I'm going to try the motion tracking tool. So as you can see, I'm selecting where I want the motion to track. So I generally go around the eyes just to make it work. And I feel that this tool really does work with the drawing tool. Okay, I'm just going to speed it up a little bit as it does, because it does it live on the clip there. So depending on how long your clip is. Okay, now I'm going to select the drawing tool. I'm just going to do a simple arrow. Click it on the screen there, drag it down to just above the clip there and spread it out for the entire length of the clip. Okay, now I'm just going to make a few little adjustments of the arrow just to match it up with the colors that I would like, make it a little bit skinnier. And maybe change the colors a little bit from gray to something else. Go, a nice black color, and then maybe put the opacity up a little bit, just so you can see through it, so it's not so solid. Now simply, I just click on the other clip, link the element, and link the arrow. Simple as that. So what it looks like when I push OK there, when I play it, it actually follows the target. So as you can see, this would be really helpful for your presentations or like a wedding video where you want to point out each of the guests. And as I said, it works really well with the motion tracking tool. Hope you enjoyed all my videos today, guys, and I'll see you next time.
And that's a wrap, guys. That's using Filmora 13's latest drawing tool to highlight your video, or office narration, as I used it in mine. Have a great day, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.